No phone signal, no Wi-Fi, no nothing like that. And guess what the dogs them do? Innovate a full... This they're my little friend from the village, his problem. Police! Welcome back guys to another video. We literally just wake up. We are already on the road at the gas station here. And all the way up to St. Cuthbert's Mission. Near the journey. So hi to Ishmael everybody. Say
what up to the camera gang.
Keith in the back, you gotta
say what up to the camera, G. You gotta be like, what up, G's and greats.
That's Ishmael and it's been
What doing? What doing? This is why I want you going out of people, you know.
Oh wow.
We can
Cause he start up just like
show you the journey when we get there, but I don't really know.
You want me to call you?
Got to me turn up, we got to me turn up. You mission every week, I'm a laugh you make. Never make a step, cause me I go regret. Count up, money the experts come and like. Them nobody in our real life, the bad for the left, for the left, for the left, for the left. I ain't the resident, we got the president, yeah. Doing it everywhere, protect myself, protect me, and me, I'm protecting me. Select my just to see it. Is there anywhere? Yeah man, every day. Is there anywhere? Yeah man, is there? Me a papa, me them know the bodies, them not rolling with no hold up in a pocket. East side never panic, so it's can't make them from school. I'm in the dark room. Just don't know to say I'm in a dark. I'm not nobody for dark. Just me, myself, and I am my shadow. No, it's fair if it's not like a straight run. And the show is for every day I've been away from. At least you put the total station. Yeah, tell them I'm the same one. Who them used to this and them see me them. Face long belly you want carry. This one get a great rap. But me thinking you don't feel man free. Down the family, underground the mama stay. Not a change. Most of them are from the grave. Why is this on the guy? This your fresh friends. Scanny and big feet. Till I live like nothing never. Why you gonna run me out? Nothing for the food ever violate. Just with a bell on a static. Static. I like watch it with the head. Messi, knock him this special, make him when you pull up Pepsi. She make this train and you see that some. You know them name of them. Throw you down till I'm up and out the killer. Why are you? See them on top. Yeah, yeah. You said you need, but then go on with that. Yeah, with that. You know this is scared, man. Everyone make me buy anyone like that. What? Byron, man, and no one is starting. No one is getting your recipe. Some buckles, money and Spain. It's like I didn't never see again. Never is one. Never is one. But I mean, it's like my style. I'm on the move. Never been for study. You hear me deep. You know me, love me. Nice to get to everything. Then ugly, rocky, go for them. Shots fresh dip, can't get the blast. Get your foot to that. You can't. White, I make a carry me to the sun's fire. No problem. Well, bro, keep on, watch your work. Anyone of them. Road records.
the tent?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shot bad, man. When she come through here, so she drive in, she learning to drive down. This teacher teaching she to drive. That is sunny and low on the store balloons. And if you could make it here, you could make it anyway. Now mud is hard. It's cold. Even though them see me again, when they see me back again, they disappear.
Boom, welcome guys, you know it's always in the 592 and we now arrive at St. Cuthbert's Mission. Y'all see the grill? Y'all see the place? Y'all see this place out here? I don't know how we do it. Yeah, we out here, oh, with the tents. We out here with Dr. Keith Khalif. Pop out with a whole squad. Y'all see that whole team in the back? Y'all already know we can keep y'all lit this weekend. We got a crucial vibe. We can do a little exploring, a little fishing. You know, we can do like a campfire thing, talk around the fire and, you know, get y'all the stories and watch movies and shit like that. Now let me show y'all the water though, dog. Alright. Show y'all the water, bro. The water is calm. St. Cuthbert's Mission. I think some way in this river you could find region 5. Yeah, you can find region 5 by just river. Got some Amerindian people over there and the community back that way. We can be camping out here for the next 2 days. So yeah, we can keep y'all lit, man. Just, you know, stay around and keep fucking with your boy. Yeah, man. Bro, y'all know I don't come to y'all with gun, but y'all just watch this innovation, bro. So we did tell up St. Cuthbert's Mission. No phone signal, no Wi-Fi, no nothing like that. And guess what the dogs them do? Innovate a full cell tower. I can get y'all a close up of this, but believe it or not, we getting 2 bars, dog. Look at this. Hold on. Let me fix y'all up good. Bro. Bro. You can't even see the top outside.
Show them the bar. Show them the bar.
Look at this.
Show them the bar.
Look at the
We
bar.
in a bar.
Hold on, let me focus it.
I don't want to leave the vicinity because if I leave, I ain't gonna get the bar.
Yeah,
Watch him. Show him the bar. Show him the bar.
I don't know why then.
Yes, I gotta
Or
use
just
this
know
here.
we out here while them mean.
Alright.
You could use this phone and show them and walk
I
off and
wish
show
I
them.
didn't know seeing you bark, Eva.
And I just got a
Alright,
text.
let me see.
You ain't just hear that?
You think too dark for seeing? Ah, yes, seeing the 4G.
It's usually
Is it right,
5G because you know networks, but we out here making our own network. You understand?
And if you want, you could show them.
Alright, we can see the 4G. We can see the 1 bar 4G there, right there.
Oh, good. And then let me move off and show them. Keep moving off.
Keep you moving up and show them how
Show them it
cuts
disappear.
off.
Go.
The signal's still here.
Still there.
More. You gotta go, man.
Keep going. We just put in our where signal from.
What? You think bar 4, man?
Hold on, man.
This antenna walking.
Hold on, man. We got grounded some more.
All right. Let me see.
Still there.
Still getting by?
Mm-hmm.
You
too?
getting where?
By from still here?
Wow.
It's still here. I'm getting by.
Like we have to collect it there. Or like we can't
Drag it.
You still get a bar?
From till here?
Bro. Let me see how far we could go.
Don't tell me he's like
No,
that,
for
man.
real. From till here getting by, G? Yeah.
At least you know, you see free.
At least you picked the. Still getting till here, G.
Well, I think we should cut. That's not part of the scene.
Listen, it's not that we getting signal here. I swear to God, we didn't get no signal before we put down this thing. It's this thing. You understand?
We can't even show them before.
We can't show you before because the camera went in my bag, but just believe me.
But the funny part about it, you get the signal, but it just you catch yourself but still back in the bush.
And everything's still buffering. No, on a real serious though, people. Shit, we innovating. Let me show you all the full setup, because I couldn't see it from down there. It sent? It come to? Oh snap! Nah, look. Look, yeah, I see it at the very top. Oh shoot, the sun. But yeah, I see the dry bottle.
You gotta mark the spot.
There's the antenna.
This area 51.
There's the antenna. And it earth to the ground with them 2 metal there. And it's full of a metal going up, you know. Don't style we thing, brethren. We scientists. Scientiphysicists. You understand? But we thinking, hold on. It was good, man. Hold on. Yeah. We thinking for, you know, that I have a little Swizzam in the water. Because the place is a little hot. I already know what we do. We can challenge yourself. Boom. I'll show you how we're going on with this tent. Spend mostly about 3 hours on this here, so mostly like 7 man work on it. But we do a thing, you know. If we're going camping, we're going camping. I know there's a way. Before I do it, yeah, I'll go easy in the comments. This is almost the best effort, and we ain't done, but you know. Look at this. I'll show you it from the inside, but look, flooring going down and everything. You see what's going on? Working hard, what there? Keep on the bar and show my anyway.
No, not with these long
You understand? Just want in 4K. Look at you in 4K. Big level. Bye, John. That's easy. Dizzy. I catch the one John in 4K. You can't tell me he's not level by now. What it? Yo, people.
You don't know how we do it, man. We don't gotta get tight, we make camp, you heard?
We can hit y'all up when this done. Matter of fact, we can show you a little progression of it while it's going on, you know? Just a little song. Just show y'all the swimming inside, bro. You might little squeeze that little man. You might little squeeze that little man. Let me get for show the people. Little man. Like a little squeeze, let me get for show. Just yeah, go in. Aye. So people, let me show my one.
Slip already. Oh,
cool.
This is it, bye.
Alright.
Now, hey, this is living. This
We
is
done.
really living, right?
Full camping mode. Yeah, I know we still that for the ends. Yeah, I already know. I'm going swimming later. So far every day chilly, you know.
Nice shirt, dude. You're supposed to go on the in the trails just now, you know.
Aye.
So we are going to trails just now for this. Yeah, saved a little battery there.
Yeah. So,
but I mean,
already know.
cut to the trails.
There's my little friend from the village. His problem. What is? Hey, where you going? Where's you coming to?
You videoing?
Yeah. Live on the vlogs. In the 592.
No, wait. You're doing the wrong tactic. This is the tourist guide, right?
Aye.
So, you need to, brush us through everything, speak, and show us,
Aye. So, keep
So
up.
here we have St. Colbert's
Aye.
mission. right? And we're about to take a tour into the woods.
Alright,
Hopefully we don't get lost, but
Oh wow.
stay tuned.
alright, we got
Oh wow, you're not even gonna be like, we're gonna go check out the park.
fully confident in your tour, guys.
I wasn't here last time.
Alright, to the vlogs. Online, yeah? Oh, is this what shut up?
Yeah.
Yo, so we set up the tent.
Where the trail there?
But somebody sabotage.
Right there.
Keep up with your laugh.
I ain't just saying hopefully we don't get lost in the video.
So we got sleep in this.
Don't you remember anything like when we went last
Man.
time? You didn't come.
Half.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
see-
did come, but half.
Y'all see what's going on here, fellas?
Because I thought it was the wrong place.
Y'all see what's going on here? Our camp got sabotaged, right? Because we was the first ones to come here, and we was the first ones to put down our camp, right? And then everybody else saw that we put up a camp, and then we went over there, we was chilling, and then we put up a signal tower, right? And they was mad because we put up our signal tower.
Yeah, I
and then when we
remember
came back, a blink of an eye, apparently,
Apparently.
the first camp got broken down, the one who put up the signal. I'm not pointing fingers or anything. You understand?
But,
But
yeah. Alright.
what I'm saying is,
Sabotage.
there's sabotage going on here, but it's all good.
Fair. We say hero guilty days. Look at that. Guilty.
Guilty as charged. You hear that?
Yeah. What they doing? What they doing? That's what they doing.
Right in here, catch
Look.
These were the same people.
These are the same people who hit down with tent. Look, you see?
You hear? Hear what's going on here. Hear what
You
you
see
just
what's
said.
going on there?
You
You see?
hear the big tabernacle, the big one, the one that came first, the one that was put up first.
Coincidentally, they won't stand up sturdy after all this breeze.
Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys. In the night, we got some for them.
We got some. Yeah, I hear dog.
Who sleep first lose,
It's problem.
Who sleep first lose, you're there.
Look. Yeah, see the dedication there, bro. This is Dylan camp type shit. Here, dog. I didn't get to sleep party, y'all. Y'all not get to sleep because of me.
I think it's a good thing we catch real in 5.
I'm all prepared. Bomba pussy blood clot. The man them nearly killed my father. TV Cribs doing a review of this. I don't know, 2-bedroom apartment. This cabin.
I'm not too comfortable, right?
Every landlord. Bro, this spacious, you know.
This place, man.
This place spacious, bro. Yeah, I don't even looking at it like this angle is from this direction, but yo, it bad. You're going in. You gotta take off your shoes, eh? Comfortable.
Yeah, there we go.
Comfortable. Could fit like 4 more.
4 more?
4 more.
We're like going outside.
Wait.
This thing coming out nice, boy.
Hold on.